This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Joel Hannah. View video tour, https://u2.b/=5me_c, roof replaced August 2021 solar panel home. Buyer, you will not be disappointed with your electrical savings, and yes, there is a warranty for your peace of mind. This home is located in the gorgeous community of CARRIAGE Pointe. You will have full access to the gated clubhouse that you may rent for special occasions, large pool, tennis/basketball court, gym, dog park and 2 playground structures are all included in the super low HOA fee of $250 per year. You will find that location is key and offers quick access to RT41 that will take you to Ybor and downtown Tampa while passing food trucks all within 15 minimum. 301 will take to you the casino or the lagoon while passing restaurants and stores within 20 minutes. North and south access to I-75 for your long distance or quick travels.